गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एसी जनरेटर एंड इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ बाय चेंज और चेंजिंग ओरिएंटेशन। इन द स्टार्ट यूनिट 4 इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन हमने देखा था कि जो ईएमएफ इंड्यूस होता है इट विल इंड्यूस due to three situations, or we have to induce EMF method to induce EMF by three methods. That first is by changing the current, ठीक है, by changing current, and after that by changing area, by changing एरिया। और जो थर्ड मेथड था आपका, इट इज वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, बाय चेंजिंग ओरिएंटेशन। ठीक है, इसको देखेंगे कि हाउ इट विल डन। सो दिस इज वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फिनोमिना ऑफ और प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इंडक्शन ऑफ ईएमएफ ड्यू टू चेंज इन ओरिएंटेशन। व्हाट इज इफ a coil is kept in between, this is north and south, in between the very strong magnet A, B, C, D, okay, A, B, C, D, then magnetic field linked with this coil from north to south, okay. This due to ये अब होगा क्या कि जो A to B है, this side AB experience of force due to this magnetic field and due to this flux linked with this coil, the coil supposed to rotate। मान लीजिए कि कॉइल ये रोटेट हो रही है एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, ठीक है। तो इन दिस सिचुएशन क्या होगा कि जो साइड ए बी होगी वो इनवर्ट जाएगी एंड साइड सी डी आउटवर्ड की तरफ होगी, ठीक है। इन दिस सिचुएशन आप क्या फाइंड करेंगे, दिस कॉइल इज रोटेट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज एंड ड्यू टू द रोटेशन ऑफ कॉइल एंड ईएमएफ इंड्यूस्ड और एंड करंट इंड्यूस्ड इन द कॉइल। क्लियर। तो इस तरह से ये कॉइल चेंज कर भी रहेगी, रोटेट होगी, और एज रोटेशन ऑफ कॉइल इट्स ओरिएंटेशन आल्सो चेंज विद मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, बिकॉज ओरिएंटेशन ड्यू टू रोटेशन आल्सो चेंज, देयरफॉर मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स लिंक्ड विद द कॉइल चेंज एज हाउ मच डिग्री इट रोटेट विद द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। तो ये एक मेथड है टू जनरेट ईएमएफ, ठीक है, बाय चेंजिंग द ओरिएंटेशन। देखिए क्या है इसमें, एसी जनरेटर, इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एसी डायनेमो, ठीक है। क्या है, इट इज अ डिवाइस, इट इज अ डिवाइस टू जनरेट एसी करंट AC current by changing orientation of coil with magnetic field, coil with magnetic field, okay. Second principle, okay. This is based on the fact when a coil is placed in the magnetic field, then the flux linked with the coil will changes, and due to change in the flux an EMF is induced in the coil. ठीक है, and the direction of the induced current can be determined by using the Fleming right-handed rule. Right this, its working is based on the fact that whenever a coil kept in, or whenever a coil rotates in magnetic field of strength B, flux linked with the coil, changes continuously. Hence, an EMF induced in the coil Clear? So next, description and working diagram. ठीक है, next point is description. Okay, description में क्या है? AC generator consists 4 main parts. ठीक है, first is armature coil. Armature coil ABCD, armature coil ABCD consists and turn of insulated wire wound over it. ठीक है, second, strong magnet. They are used to provide the magnetic field. Third is slip rings. Okay, these are two rings, R1 and R2, which are used for the two ends connect with the rotating coil, and these are also rotate with the armature coil as they rotate. ठीक है, and fourth is brushes. Okay, brushes. There are two brushes B1 and B2, which are carbon brushes, are used to connect smoothly with the two ends of the circuit to the external circuit. ठीक है, next, working theory. Okay, डायग्राम देखिए पहले. ये आपके पास आर्मेचर है, the two slip rings which are connected these are thus B2, and this one B1. This is ring 1 and this is ring 2. Okay. Now the one end of this armature coil, ये इसका साफ आ रहा है, one end of this armature coil is connect with this slip ring and the brush is connect with the external source. इसमें ये बल्ब लगा हुआ है and the other end is connected with the B2. This is the complete circuit for the AC generator. Now working theory. When the armature coil ABCD is subject in the magnetic field north to south, in which the end AB experience a field and CD also experience a field due to the field and rotation of coil inward. Suppose the AB is moving inward and the side CD is experience of force outward. ठीक है, देखिए कैसे होगा. तो ये इसमें मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है एंड ऐसे इसको घुमाया गया कि एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घूम रही है. ठीक है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घूमेगी तो ए बी क्या हो जाएगी, बाहर. ठीक है, तो ये कैसा फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करेगी, आउटवर्ड फोर्स एंड दिस विल एक्सपीरियंस अ इनवर्ड फोर्स. इन द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दिस फोर्स द कॉइल विल रोटेट. ठीक है, ये इस तरह से, अब ये इस तरह से प्लेस था ड्यू टू मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ठीक है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन ऑफ पेपर एंड द कॉइल इज रोटेट लाइक दिस. ये इस तरह से रखा हुआ है परपेंडिकुलर टू द कॉइल. जब इससे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लिंक होगा तो ये इधर जाएगी अंदर की तरफ. ठीक है, तो साइड ए बी moves or experience a force inward and hence in the influence of the magnetic force the coil is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. As a result the CD arm CD जो कि ये वाली है, ठीक है, opposite side है, this experience an outward force and the coil is rotates by half cycle. ठीक है, and when this rotates therefore slip rings are alternatively behave as positive and negative. Now initially it is positive and here is negative. These slip rings are rotates and for the second half cycle R1 is positive and B2 is B1 B2 को कर लेते हैं. B1 is initially positive and B2 is negative. सेकेंड केस के लिए जब ये रोटेट कर जाएगा then B1 is negative and B2 is positive. As we find that the direction of the coil induced current in the coil is in the clockwise direction and the coil will rotate in the anti-clockwise direction continuously. Hence we observe that in one half the coil is current induced in the positive side and the other half it is in negative side. So जो ये रोटेशन करता रहेगा वी गेट द ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट. इस तरह से अब है, इसको देखिए ये आपके पास नॉर्थ साउथ एंड नॉर्थ मैग्नेट्स हैं एंड दिस इज अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लिंक्ड विद द कॉइल. ठीक है, मान लीजिए कि एक आर्मेचर कॉइल जो कि इस तरह से प्लेस्ड है. ओके, नाउ द एरिया वेक्टर फॉर द coil is perpendicular to this coil. This is area vector and this is the magnetic field. This is the angle between the magnetic field. Clear? Therefore, flux linked with the coil is magnetic flux linked with the coil if there is n turns in the 1 minute. यहाँ पे कुछ कंसीडर कर लेते हैं. Let area of the coil, area enclosed with coil is capital A Second, number of turn of coil, number of turns of wire on coil, in coil, wire in coil is capital N, and the strength of magnetic field is B. Strength of magnetic field is B. Therefore, flux linked with the coil, flux linked with coil, it is clear, is given by phi is equal to MVA. Okay, therefore, because the flux is given by the scalar product of the magnetic field and the area vector, therefore we get this flux is equal to MVA cos theta. Okay, if the angular velocity of the coil is theta, angular velocity is omega, then we get the value of theta is equal to omega t. It is clear or not? Therefore, we can also give this result is equal to MBA cos omega t. It is clear. This is your equation first. Now, the small change in the flux in small time dt due to rotation of coil, change in flux d phi in small time dt in small time dt induced an EMF in the coil. ठीक है, induced EMF which is given by EMF is equal to minus d phi upon dt. It is clear or not? Therefore, the value of phi we have minus d over dt is equal to MVA cos omega. This is the flux. Now, MVA is constant minus MVA, and the differentiation of omega cos omega t is minus sin omega t. Sin omega t, and omega t को again differentiate करोगे, then you will get into omega also. Therefore, this will become t minus minus plus MVA omega sin omega. It is clear? Now, here this value MVA cos omega t is constant because n is number of turns in the coil, B is magnetic field which is fixed, A area of the armature coil, and omega is the angular velocity of the rotation of the coil. Therefore, we use in place of this MVA is E naught sin omega t. This is the required formula for induced EMF when the coil is rotates between the magnetic field. ठीक है, और इन द strong magnets. Here E naught is equal to MBA omega, and it is called the maximum value of E naught is maximum value of induced EMF. Maximum value of induced EMF, and it is also called peak value of induced EMF. ठीक है, note down. Is very most important. Now, how the magnetic flux will change with the orientation? Just understood the characteristic. Now, see, this EMF E is equal to E naught sin omega t. First we take the two situations, ठीक है, that is when omega t is equal to 90 degree. It is clear? If the omega t is equal to 90 degree, therefore sin omega t is equal to 1. For omega t is 90 degree, therefore this EMF is equal to E naught, which is the maximum value of the induced EMF. Now, the current induced due to the rotation of the coil, ठीक है, induced current is given by I is equal to E upon R, where R is the resistance of the coil. We have the value of E is E naught upon R sin omega t. Okay. Therefore, the current will become E is equal to I naught sin omega t. This is the value of induced current due to the rotation of coil, and this current has polarity positive and negative. So for half cycle it is in positive direction, and for other half cycle it is in negative direction. So this induced current has characteristic of positive negative polarity, so it is called alternating current. This induced current has polarity. So it is called AC current. Okay, alternating current. Now we understood the special case for the different situations. See, अगर हमने टाइम एंड ईएमएफ ग्राफ को अगर बनाए, टाइम वर्सेस ईएमएफ ग्राफ, दिस इज टाइम एंड दिस इज ईएमएफ ऑफ कॉइल, ठीक है। Therefore इनिशियली हमने क्या किया, स्पेशल केस और इस टाइप लिख सकते हो स्पेशल केस वन में क्या करना है, द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द 1 मिनट, ठीक है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन ऑफ पेपर एंड along with the direction of area vector, ठीक है। देखिए प्लेन ऑफ पेपर is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Plane of paper is perpendicular to magnetic field. ओके, इस सिचुएशन में क्या होगा, जो एंगल बिटवीन द एरिया वेक्टर एंड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज 0 डिग्री। देखो ये आपके पास साउथ पोल, दिस इज योर नॉर्थ पोल एंड this is magnetic field here, ये आर्मेचर कॉइल प्लेस्ड है, here now the plane of paper से अगर हम देखें तो this is the direction of magnetic field and ये जो डायरेक्शन हो जाएगा ये, तो आपके पास मिलेगा 90 डिग्री। इन दिस केस जो आपका एरिया वेक्टर होगा वो भी किस डायरेक्शन में है, इन डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। सो दिस सिचुएशन के लिए हमारे पास ये कंडीशन आएगी एंड द ग्राफ इज एट दिस पॉइंट, ठीक है, इनिशियली। सेकंड, ये जो फेज बनी है इनको आपको बना लेना है। सेकंड की सिचुएशन क्या होगा, व्हेन द कॉइल रोटेट्स 90 डिग्री, ठीक है, व्हेन कॉइल रोटेट्स 90 डिग्री, ठीक है, इन एंटी क्लॉक डायरेक्शन, इन anti-clockwise, therefore in this situation ये आपके पास मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है एंड plane of paper and this is magnetic field। in this situation यहाँ पे आपका ये A B C D, now this rotates to C D A B, ठीक है। In this situation we get that theta is equal to 90 degree and the induced current is at maximum point at this point. Then when the coil rotates, third situation, when coil rotates again 90 degree, which means 180 degree, when coil rotates 180 degree in the same direction, therefore theta is equal to 180 degree and for 180 degree is sin omega t is again 0 degree, therefore we get this graph at this point, and this situation initially the time is 0, here is time is t by 4, ये हाफ रोटेशन करेगा, ठीक है. At this point is time t by 2. This situation is, इसमें क्या होगा, CD नीचे की तरफ आ जाएगा एंड ये, तो आपका जो ग्राफ नेक्स्ट आपको मिलना स्टार्ट होगा. दिस इज लाइक दिस. This value is the maximum value for the EMF E naught, and this is the value of induced EMF, and here is EMF 0. ये वाला जो हो जाएगा this is minus E naught or the maximum negative value of the induced EMF. This point is again 0 and this is E naught. ओके, तो इस तरह से ये जैसे जैसे ओरिएंटेशन चेंज करेगा. जैसे इनिशियली हमने कैसा रखा इसको, प्लेन ऑफ पेपर के साथ रखा, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका एरिया वेक्टर एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज इन डायरेक्शन. सो विद 90 डिग्री ये हो गया, तो आपको ये फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करेगा और ऐसे रोटेट हो जाएगा. इन दिस इक्वेशन magnetic field is in left side direction and the area vector is also in the left direction. तो ये फिर से क्या करेगा, 0. तो इस केस में कोई फील्ड एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करेगा, अगेन अपनी इनिशियल पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा. देन आफ्टर इट विल रोटेट ड्यू टू इट्स इनर्शिया एंड नाउ CD is facing towards south. ये CD is facing towards south and AB towards north. Then AB experience in outward force and CD experience inward force. Influence of it rotate again 90 degree. तो इसका फोर्स सिचुएशन आ जाएगा when it gets its maximum value till this point, ठीक है. And then after it will rotate and it will get the final its initial situation and the coil, as long as the magnetic flux link with the coil will rotate continuously and the EMF also increase or induce continuously so long as the magnetic flux links with the coil due to rotation of the coil. ठीक है, थैंक यू.